Hi everybody, it's Miss Sala. I just am hoping everyone is staying healthy and you guys are practicing that social distancing, washing those hands. We miss you all. We hope everyone's doing well. And please keep communicating with us through email, through whatever means you can. I gave you guys my phone number, so you can text me if you have any questions. So do any of that to just reach out. So for this week, Mr. Weisberg and I and Miss Meyer kind of looked at some stuff, and I think you'll see in your Google Classroom, you'll have some other activities you can be working on. Mr. Weisberg is going to share with you guys the activity for the coronavirus podcast that you can listen to. And the activity I'm sharing with you guys is just to remind you guys about the code.org website. So you can see right here, I have it up on my screen. Obviously, I'm logged in as myself. So you guys have all done this in my classroom. You've gone to code.org. You've logged in using your SFIS Google email. So just make sure you do that. You can log in. And then when you click on the My Dashboard, which is right up there in the top left-hand corner, you will see this page load up. And what's great about this is obviously they've got continued learning when schools are closed. So you can click on that Get Started. And you can also do this on your phone. So if you don't even have a computer with the internet access, if you have your phone, there's some smartphone options. So that's what I wanted to let you know too. So if you have a smartphone, you can't get internet on your computer and you're getting internet on your smartphone, feel free to do that. There is this cool challenge. It says Code Break. You can see it right here in the middle of the screen. So Code Break is happening every Wednesday. So you can tune in at Wednesday, and it says 10 a.m. Pacific time, which is 11 a.m. our time. So you would just click the tune in. So I'll just click on that. And obviously there's no webcast right now, but when there is, so that'll happen on Wednesday at 11 our mountain time, you can click in here and they'll have some activities and stuff that they can share with you guys. So if you wanted to do that, so that's an option. So that'll be starting this next week. There's also all those tutorials that you guys started. You did start that dance party one, the coding the dance party one. So if you haven't finished that one, please do that. You can go ahead and finish that one up. And then there's all these other ones. There's Minecraft, AI for Oceans, Flappy Code, Coding in Astronomy, and lots of other tutorials. So feel free to do any of those Hour of Code activities if you're totally bored. And then there's also videos you can watch, how computers work, how the internet works. So they have a huge library online that you guys can access. And I think I've also shared with you guys in your classroom, like the, I don't think it was the Express course. There's also app building. You can learn how to design apps. So you can click on this. This one's a little more like higher level, so it's ages 13 and above. But this is using the design an app code in JavaScript, or you can use the block or text like you've been using with the other ones. But this is kind of cool. You can like make your own app. And then for those of you that the computer's not working at home, there's these cool smartphone apps that you can do, like Box Island. Right here, it's for all ages. It's a mobile coding game that takes learners on an exciting adventure while teaching the fundamentals of coding. CodeSpark looks like they do a free 3-month trial. You'll have to have a parent's email, credit card, so that may not be as good. And then Grasshopper, Hack a Game. So that might be cool for you guys. I would probably apply for high school kids, it says for middle school and up. So that's from Google Area 120 project. So again, there's also these unplugged activities. If you don't even have any internet access, there's a couple activities there you can click on. And I think that was it there. So remember, when you sign in, if you click on My Dashboard, again, for all those ones that I just showed you, you click on this Get Started. Or if you scroll down, you should see your section, like, because I'm logged in as myself, I see my classes So I see my 7th period, my 4th period, and currently I have like the dance party up, but if I click on 4th period here, you can see as it's loading up, I'll be able to see all of your guys' names and kind of what you've done. And then I can click on the different stuff that I've shared with you. So like there's Flappy Code. So I've seen, doesn't look like anyone started the Flappy Code. Oh, Simone, looks like Simone started that. But any of these are available to you guys and the ones that I've shared with you. There's the Gumball Play Lab. And then there's this other course, it's called the Express course. That one's longer, so that one, you can be doing, whenever you want. But it has lots of different units, and it looks like Ileana, sorry, that's Ileana Bailon, has started that, and Taven started that too, so I can kind of see your progress there. So feel free to pick any of those activities, but just share with me if you're gonna work on any of them. That way I can kind of check and see how you're doing. Or if you get stuck, you can text me or email me or call me and you're like, hey, I'm not sure how to do this. So feel free to keep communicating. All right, so if you have any questions, like I said, just get in touch with me, but explore this whole code.org website. Has a ton of stuff, tons of projects you can do. You can build your own stuff from scratch. And there's lots of video tutorials and stuff to help you out. So it's a great, great resource to use while you're kind of stuck at home and we can't go anywhere. But again, saying hi to everybody and hope everyone's doing well. We miss you. Take care. Alrighty. Bye, guys.